Let go of negativity forever with this unique ritual. 2024 in a world brimming with distractions, stress, and negativity, it's easy to find ourselves weighed down by unfavorable thoughts and emotions. As we step into 2024, the desire to cultivate a more positive mindset becomes increasingly important. Imagine freeing yourself from the shackles of negativity, permanently. This article presents a unique ritual designed to help you transcend negativity and embrace a life filled with positivity, clarity, and joy. Understanding negativity. Before we dive into the ritual, let's take a moment to reflect on what negativity really is. Whether it surfaces as self-doubt, toxic relationships, or pervasive anxiety, negativity manifests in various ways that can hinder our personal growth and happiness. Often, our habits, reactions, and even our environments contribute to the persistence of negative thoughts. Recognizing these influences is the first step toward igniting meaningful change. The power of rituals. Rituals have been employed across cultures and generations as powerful means of transformation. They not only create a sense of community and tradition but also help anchor our intentions and foster mindfulness. A well-designed ritual can facilitate emotional release, reinforce your commitments, and bring clarity to your goals. By committing to a unique ritual focused on letting go of negativity, you can empower yourself to create lasting change in your life. The Let Go Ritual, a step-by-step guide. What you'll need: a quiet space, find a place where you feel safe and uninterrupted. Paper and writing instrument, use a pen or pencil and some paper. Consider using biodegradable paper as a nod to environmental consciousness. Candle, choose a candle color that resonates with you: white for purity, blue for healing, or yellow for positivity. Salt, known for its purifying properties, salt helps to cleanse negative energies. A bowl of water, this symbolizes emotional release and cleansing. Optional items: crystals, like black tourmaline or amethyst, essential oils, like lavender or sandalwood, or any other items that help you feel grounded. Step 1. Setting your intention. Find your quiet space and sit comfortably. Light the candle and take a few deep breaths, grounding yourself in the present moment. Reflect on the negativity in your life that you want to release. It could be a persistent fear, a toxic relationship, or a habit that no longer serves you. Clearly define what you wish to let go of. This will be your intention for the ritual. You may even want to say it aloud for greater impact. Step 2. Writing it down. Take your paper and write down the negative thoughts, feelings, or situations you wish to release. Don't hold back, let everything spill onto the page. The act of writing allows you to externalize these negative aspects, making it easier to let them go. Step 3. The purification process. Once you've completed writing, sprinkle a little salt over the paper. As you do this, envision the salt absorbing negativity and purifying what you've written. Then, take the paper and carefully fold it, sealing in the negativity. This signifies your commitment to releasing these burdens. Step 4. Symbolic release. Take the folded paper and hold it over the candle flame. As the paper burns, visualize the intensity of the flame consuming your negativity, transforming it into smoke that dissipates into the air. With this action, you are actively releasing what no longer serves you. Step 5. The water ritual. Once the paper is completely burned, place the ashes in the bowl of water. Stir the water gently while visualizing the negative energy washing away. As the ashes dissolve, affirm in your mind, or aloud, that you are free from negativity and open to positivity. Step 6. Closing the ritual. Take a moment to meditate on your new intention for positivity and growth. You may want to focus on what you wish to embrace instead of what you let go of. This will help shift your mindset. Conclude your ritual by extinguishing the candle and thanking yourself for taking this important step in your journey. Step 7. Integrating positivity into daily life. To ensure the effects of your ritual linger, incorporate daily practices that reinforce positivity. This could include journaling about positive experiences, practicing gratitude, or surrounding yourself with supportive individuals. Remember, the key to lasting change lies in consistency. Conclusion: as we welcome 2024, embracing a life free from negativity begins with conscious and purposeful actions. The Let Go ritual serves as a powerful tool to release the burdens of the past while setting the stage for a brighter, more positive future. By committing to this unique ritual, you not only let go of negativity but also invite in abundance, love, and joy for years to come. Welcome the new year as a new you, light, free, and unencumbered.